Okay.
Hello, I'm Finny. And I'm Kermit. And I'm Tongo. Welcome to Crafty Puppets. Today I'm going to show you all the crafty puppets. First, let me go this way. Go. All the way back. With the grapes, the monster. Oh, Kermit needs a break, okay? Kermit's got to go to the bathroom.
See you later,
Kermit's gonna
Kermit.
be gone for the rest of the video.
It's okay, we'll pick him up later.
Oof!
Oof.
This is Grapes, the monster. And I'm a dragon. This is our anglerfish friend, along with the chicken. Bok, bok, bok. And the mouse. Hello there. Spider. Salutations. I'm a bee. Bzzz. Ah!
Oh no, it stung Tongo.
I'm a crab. Ah! And a snake.
Is a rattlesnake, right?
Rattlesnake Jakes. I'm with me. Meow. And a doggy. Along with a unicorn. Magical. Flap, 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 flap. Or an elephant. And a wolver pig. Hello there. Along with our friend Bunny. Boing, boing, boing. The end.
I hope you enjoyed Crafty
Hope you
Puppets.
enjoy Crafty Puppets.
Bye.
Subscribe to our channel. But goodbye.